What a drop here on PLTR stock on today's trading day, but back above from those lows on Friday. And we have some levels to break down here and why PLTR could try to retest not just $90, but the $100 area. And we're going to break it all down in today's video. But it wasn't the only stock falling. The overall market and the SPY fell as well. And our bear indicator was sent out early on in the pre-market to our Discord, which ended up lasting all day, guys. That SPY bear indicator lasted all day until 4 p.m. It didn't get canceled, and put options and those outflows on 42 Vision crossed to the downside with weakness. Per weakness on those charts, and put options went up over 150% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, check out the link down below in the description to our 42 Vision indicators, joining the community of members using it, and gaining access to our bots to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within these charts and the volatility of the markets, whether stocks are going up or going down. Once again, that link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. Now, PLTR in the volatility of the 5-minute is under a bear indicator since up here at $89, but we are higher than the lows from Friday, right? So this is a higher low here. When you zoom out and look at this from the 30-minute, it did get a bear indicator and cancel out that bull indicator. A full transition also happened from the dip area, as we call it, to the rip area of bright green bars. And so far we hit a dip area here again, and it's trying to hold with these inside bars. And we're going to break down the key levels to watch. But if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 Vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as extra layers of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with PLTR back under a bear indicator at 86.83, canceling that bull indicator from Friday. But most importantly here, when we zoom out, we are at some of the most critical levels of support that we talked about in our videos, right? We talked about it. If we broke down below 95, we hit 90, and we would go all the way down towards possibly 80, 85, and a crucial level was down towards that 80.78 level. It bounced off of it, and we're fighting here to stay above it, and it needs to get back under a bull indicator, canceling out that bear indicator here on the 1 hour and every single time frame below it as well to align and confirm the strength. And when we go all the way to the 4 hour, it's been under a bear indicator since up here at 124. We hit multiple dip areas, and we're trying to hold here. This is crucial because if $78 gets broken through, the next support is 76, and then comes down towards the $73 area. That's where all of that euphoria and that run started, and it's going to be crucial to consolidate. If this is not going to run up anytime soon, consolidate in this area, guys. That is going to be a crucial level to hold above 75, 73. If not, there's room to test even further support levels that should not be ignored. And when we come out towards the 1 day, it's been under a bear indicator since up here as well as 118. And it's the first time it's been under a bear indicator since the bull indicator at $73 back on January. So crucial levels here for PLTR, and all of the news surrounding this drop has to do with the projections of the future of cutting back on that spending. We've talked about it. I pulled up this whole entire article before, talking about 8% each year for the next 5 years is going to get cut back on spending, and that impacts PLTR, right, in one way or another. And it was at around $100, $110 at the time. Here we are down here fighting to stay above 80. So what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is we want to see bull indicators pop up on multiple time frames, and on the 15-minute, we want to start there. in the volatility. We want to continue this staircase effect here within these charts, and the first resistance is 87. If that gets broken through, the next level will be 90, and then above 90 comes the $93 area where things rejected up here before that bear indicator popping up at 91.90 back on Thursday of last week, having that 2-day drop and testing new lows. So we want to break above those levels. To the downside, if these bear indicators continue to hold, and on the 15-minute, it rolls that strength over of weakness into the 30-minute and holding as well, and retesting support. The first support is 82, then comes 80 to 78, and then comes 75, guys. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and the inflow versus outflows. I'll be watching if they can start to pick up. Cancel out this bear indicator here on the 30-minute as well as on the 15-minute, and then roll over that strength into larger time frames and retesting key resistance levels. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and learn more how to read charts, join the community of members using 42 Vision and the inflow versus outflow to gain an edge within the volatility, whether stocks are going up or going down. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.